I've been holding this motherfucker, bro. My phone jump on you. That's slide. I'm gonna hit him when I get it.
He had that show tonight. He probably trying to tell you about the show. That's him right here. Yo, what's poppin', fool? What you say? John right here, man.
Right here, bro.
Leave from up on Westover. Hold on.
What's up, bro?
Man, I'm there calling the hell out your phone. Nigga, what the hell is it?
Man, I'm up this bitch drunk as a motherfucker, man, running my phone, man. Mister got shot. Hey, bro, I'm on my way right now, bro.
Yeah. 1 a.m. Westover.
Yo, GG, turn it up.
Fuck, man. Long live Mr. Forever, you know that. Brandon gang, nigga. A block. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my doggy gone away. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my doggy gone. 20 missed calls. I was chillin', just relaxing. But nothing could prepare me for the shit they say that happened. They tell me Mr. Hit, and they don't think that he gon' make it. Stomach feeling violent, and I don't think that I can take it. Got me speeding to the spittle, mind racing in that zone. Back to back calls to sister, she ain't picking up her phone. I pull up and see 100 niggas standing in the street. Know the sis barred up, tears falling, man, she weak. I approached her with a hug just so I can pull her close. She told me he was shot and he ain't even got a post. So I walked in the room, see my nigga laying lifeless. I guess life's really priceless, for real. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my doggy gone away. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my dog. If you ain't never lost your nigga, then you probably can relate. Long live Mr. He a God to the age. Don't worry about Messiah, just know he gon' be straight. Just know I'm thinking about him, every move that I make. I swear the block ain't the same, the energy to change. You feel the tears jerking every time I hear your name. Flash still thuggin', he tryna maintain. Them crackers hit his crib, try to take him out the game. Yeah. All in all, just know we miss you, nigga. Just know we throwing big foes until we with you, nigga. Yeah, and we sliding on whatever, making sure your name ring forever. Love you, nigga. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my doggy gone away. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my doggy gone away.
Tonight, investigators are searching for the person behind a deadly shooting over the weekend in Pennsylvania County. It left a 25-year-old man dead.
ABC 13's Chelsea King sat down with his family in an exclusive interview.
Because I was stuck. We've all been stuck.
She says her mother adopted the 25-year-old when he was 11 years old, while Sean was a father of a 3-year-old. Brandon says he was not only a father, but the rock of their family.
1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my doggy gone away. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. 1 a.m. in Westover. I got the callin'. They say my doggy gone away.
It's perfect. Long live Big Mister.